how to extract files from a zip folder. Now there are two ways to do so. The first one is just right click on your zip folder, and then there is an extract all button right there. Now if you do so, you will be able to extract all of your files in a different location. Now the other way to extract your zip file is by using WinRAR. Now first let's search WinRAR and then go to download WinRAR. Now all you need to do is you need to download it. Now after you've downloaded it, just open it in your folder and then run it. Now click on yes and then install. Just see all those associated file types with WinRAR, and then also the interface, create an WinRAR program group, and all those settings. Now set it up to your liking and then click on OK. So now since WinRAR has been installed, what can be done is go to this file again, and then below you'll see a WinRAR option, and from there you can extract files from WinRAR too. So this is how you extract files from a zip folder. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel, and stay tuned for our more upcoming videos. Bye bye.